What is up, guys? My name is Nash and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how you can get paid dividends every month from your favorite companies. Alright, so you might be asking yourself, how is that even possible when most of the companies pay dividends every 3 months, right? Alright, so I'm going to show you a solution that you can utilize to kind of like work around this little issue here that we have. Alright, so I'm going to use 3 companies as an example. So if you are invested in these 3 companies, you are probably getting paid dividends every month. And these companies are going to be AT&T, JP Morgan, and Chevron. So these companies pay dividends in different months, so they don't pay dividends in the same 4 months. All right, so let's look at JP Morgan, which is one of the 3 companies that I have here. So it pays its dividends in January, April, July, and October. So those are 4 months. And the second company is going to be AT&T. So AT&T pays its dividends in February, May, August, and November. So you can see these are completely different months from JP Morgan. And to complete this process, you're going to add another company. So here I'm going to be using Chevron, which pays its dividends in March, June, September, and December. So as you can see, those 3 companies are going to be paying you dividends for every month, right? So that's kind of like a solution you can use. You just got to pick companies that don't pay dividends at the same time. All right, so this is kind of like the solution that you can use to get paid dividends monthly without having to invest in monthly dividend stocks. And because I know a lot of people don't like investing in monthly dividend stocks because they're a lot riskier. So that is pretty much it, guys. Make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And if you want to start investing using Robinhood, make sure to go ahead and use my link in the description below. You get a free stock and I get a free stock. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.